Yes, sir. What's the deal? What's good, everybody on YouTube, man? It's your boy KinfolkKari coming back at y'all with another banger, man. And as y'all can tell by the title, man, the whole reason why y'all clicked on the video, your boy got these cool, great things in a little early for y'all, man. But before we jump into them things, man, y'all already know what I need y'all to do, man. Like the video up, sub up, and ring that bell. But without further ado, let's get straight to it.
Sending on Cougar is the truth. 79 might just take off the roof.
Yes, sir. Here we go, man. These Jordan 11 cool gray joints, man. Starting off with the box, you got your regular, you know what I mean, Air Jordan logo on the top of this thing with that light gray top with that dark gray bottom, which is actually the same color blocking that's on the shoe as well. Cool little detail. Side sticker is reading Air Jordan 11 Retro. Colors are medium gray and multicolor. Size 11 is what I had to grab on these things, man. I usually try to go for 11 and a half or 12. But man, I was on the little sneakers out, bro. I had got exclusive access. You feel me? I was at the job. You feel me? Driving. I happened to look at my phone, bro. Seen it. That joint said you got exclusive access for the Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray. I said what? Man, I clicked that thing so fast. You feel me? Went into there for the size. I tried for a 12 first. Sold out. 11 and a half. Sold out. I was like, bruh, try for 11, man. That boy went through on me. So I was like, hey, man. I'm gonna get what I can get, you feel me? Retail price, 225 bones. Jumping right into these things, man. Ooh, they just nasty, guys. Boom, here we go, man. The 2021 pair of cool gray 11s. So nasty, bruh. These things so pretty, man. I'm trying to tell you. I could just look at these all day, man. The release date for these things is December 11th. Should be a pretty easy cop for the most part, just based off of how many people got exclusive access that I know of, man. Because for me to even get it, that's how you know a hell of people was getting it. Because sneakers usually do not even rock with me, man. But recently, they've been kind of rocking with my account. I ain't even gonna lie, man. I had copped those patchwork 3s. I had got exclusive access on those first. And I didn't really like them. But, you know, the homie wanted them, you feel me? So I let him cop them on my account. But I think that kind of made them see like, okay, he'll spend some bread with us. Cause right after that, I copped like 2 pairs of dunks. I hit on those. And then after that, I got exclusive access on these, man. So if y'all see that the Nike app give y'all any type of exclusive access for anything, you feel me? I say at least try to cop it just to spend some bread with them. Cause that's how they really choose who can hit on what raffle-wise. You feel me? The active accounts, you know what I mean? Free game. But man, let's jump right into the sneaker, bruh. Starting off from the bottom, working our way up, man. You got your icy blue bottom, man, with that dark gray traction on the bottom and on the top. I just love that icy blue, man. I'm trying to tell you, that icy blue, it make you not even want to wear the shoe at all, bruh. Cocaine white midsole with that dark gray patent leather. They went with the high cut on this, as they usually do. And I ain't gonna lie, man, when they first started doing the high cut patent leather, bruh, I thought it was the most ugliest thing in the world, cause I'm trying to tell you, I was at Foot Locker, and I think the first shoe that I seen with it was like I think it was the Space Gems. I'm not sure, but I think it was the Space Gems where they did the high cut patent leather. I was looking at them, I was like, bro, those things is ugly, bro. It just didn't look right, you know what I mean? Something new to the eye. But now, bro, if it's not high cut, I don't want it. I ain't gonna say I don't want it, but I prefer the high cut for sure on these things, man. Jumping right into the upper, you got your light gray with that nubuck material, man, going all around it. White Jumpman on the side and a white 2-3 on the back with your white rope laces. And the material on these is A1 steak sauce, man. Super, super premium material on these, man. You would not be disappointed when you see these in hand, for sure. Insole, man, you got a dark gray insole with a white jump, man. And on the back of the tongue, man, you got your Jordan patch, man, with that infamous quote that's on all the 11s, man. Greatest quality inspired by the greatest player ever. And man, they gave us the regular cardboard insert on these, man. I really wish they would have gave us the plastic joints like they usually do for the 11s, man. Cause that's what they did for the Concord. Let me just grab them real quick for y'all. Yeah, man, I just recently picked these up, man. And these come with the with the plastic inserts, you know what I mean? I wish they would have did that with the cool gray joints, man, instead of giving us this little cheap cardboard insert, man. But I guess it's for recycling purposes or whatever, man. I think they're just being cheap, really. First time we got this colorway in, man, was 2001. It's been, what, 20 years, bruh, since the OGs came out, man. That was back when he was playing for the Wizards when this colorway dropped. And then after that was 2010 when they came out again. So, bro, it's been 11 years since we got to have a pair of cool grays, man. And I ain't gonna lie, man, I think I'm looking to double up on these, bruh. A colorway like this, man, you just got to. If it's possible, bro, you gotta have a pair to stock and a pair to rock, man. Especially with that icy blue bottom. But that's enough talking about these things, man. Let's see what they look like on feet. Yes, sir. As expected, bruh, these things are fire on feet. You gotta actually try to make these things look bad. You can have on the most simplest fit and still look clean just off of these alone. Dress them up, dress them down to a wedding, or just on your way to go get a little chop. I remember I seen a picture of Uzi, and I think it was with JT. I'll put the picture up here if I can find it. But he had on a regular fit, you know what I mean? Jeans and a t-shirt. Because looked clean, bro, because he had on these. He looked clean. I was like, yeah, bro, I think I dang near need 2 pair of these, man. Especially with that icy blue bottom, man. It make me scared to even wear these joints, bro. But yeah, man, that basically sums up the review for these 2021 cool gray Air Jordan 11s, man. And like I said before, man, make sure y'all doing y'all due diligence, actually calling around at your local sneaker shop to see how they doing their leftover pairs, man. I know it's gonna be slim pickings, but I would say at least try if you don't hit on the raffle. So I'm pretty sure by now all the raffles is closed, of course, but man, make sure y'all call around and see what time they doing they first come, first serve for the extra pairs, man. And even if it's not your size, I say still try to cop them joints, because you can either sell them or size swap somebody for your size, you know what I mean? But I feel like JB finna flood the market on these, man, just to really crack down on that resale market, which I hope they do. As long as you really staying on top of it, man, calling around, you should have no problem with grabbing these things, man. But man, y'all leave a comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all got to secure y'all pair, man, if y'all had to hold that L. And don't forget to like the video up, sub up, and ring that bell, man. Till next time, it's your boy KinfolkKari. I'm out.